Okay, this will just be a quick little demonstration of how we would answer the question of determining the probability of a z-score falling between any two numbers. And in this example, I'll use the first number as 1 and the second number as 2. And using Excel, you can take advantage of the function that's called normSdist. I'll type in normSdist, and what you'll see on the screen, let me see if I can slide this over. When I do that, let me type this in. There, you can see a little bit of it. Right in here it says, returns the standard normal, and I'll keep reading, cumulative distribution that has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Okay, let me slide that back to where we want to be. That's pretty good right there. So if I type in normSdist, then hit the left paren, then I can hit the function bar, and I'll get a little pop-up screen to put in the arguments. And I'm going to put in the second argument first. Okay, and then I'm going to hit enter. Okay, and hit OK. Now what I've got is a partial answer at this point. And let me slide this over a little bit so you can see it here. If I click on this, it's saying 97.7, but I need to find the difference between the norm S distribution, which is the normal standard distribution, of the second value minus the value of the first. So then what I need to do, I'll slide up, I'll just hit my F2 key. Let me move this over so you can see this. I'll hit F2, and then I'll say minus norm SDist, right? The normal, again, that function is the normal standard distribution, and I'll put in the reference to the first cell. Okay, and as soon as I do that, I come up with 13.6. Now, if you didn't have it formatted, you come up with 0.14. I turned it into a percent formatting with one decimal place, and so the answer is that what's the normal distribution function? Let me say that again. Using the normSdist function, compute the probability that a score would fall between +1 and +2 z-scores. Okay, and the answer comes out to be 0.1359, or about 13.6%. Now, the only other thing I want to point out is you could have also reversed the order. Let me hit my FT and put in D4 in here and D5 over here. And you would still get the range of 13.6, only it would come out negative, which is meaningless. So you could turn that into an absolute value, right? And you'd still come up with the right answer. So ABS is the abbreviation for absolute value, and we get 13.6. Now the easiest way, of course, is put in the second number first, subtract the first, because that will give you a lower answer, and you compute the final answer. All right, let me slide that back so you can see that. And that's all there is to this one. Thanks, everyone.